Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 2 of 20. I'm Louis, week 1, the foundations.
And I'm Claire. Yesterday you met the verb to be, and we promised you a secret about how French people say their age. Today we pay up.
As always, one real news sentence. Claire, real news speed.
La Première ministre a 2 enfants et habite dans la capitale.
A profile of a politician, the kind of sentence that opens half the interviews on French radio.
Here it is, one more time, slowly. La Première ministre a 2 enfants et habite dans la capitale.
The key word today means has. And Claire, it might be the shortest word in this entire series. One letter, one sound. Repeat after Claire and don't overthink it.
That tiny word comes from the verb to have. Louis, why does the news love this verb so much?
Because yesterday's verb tells you what things are, and this one tells you what people have. Children, money, problems, plans. Half the news is people having things. Claire, I have.
J'ai.
Your turn, repeat after her.
J'ai. Hear that? One smooth syllable. On paper it's 2 words, I, then have, but French hates the bump between 2 vowels. Drop a letter, plant an apostrophe, weld the words. Remember that apostrophe? From now on, it's everywhere.
And you have, talking to one person.
Tu as.
Repeat it out loud.
Tu as. And she has like our Prime Minister. Elle a.
Your turn.
Elle a.
And now, the payoff we promised yesterday. The news says, aged of. But how does a real French person say, I'm 30 years old? Claire.
J'ai 30 ans. Literally, I have 30 years. In French, you don't be an age, you own it. Your turn. Say it out loud, even if 30 isn't your number. We'll pretend. J'ai 30 ans.
Now, who has? The Prime Minister. And in today's sentence, it's a woman. Claire.
La Première ministre.
Your turn. Repeat after Claire.
La Première ministre. 2 things hiding in there. The little word at the front is the feminine. The yesterday's president got the masculine one. And the title literally means the first minister.
Very grand. And what does she have? 2 children.
2 enfants.
Now you, out loud.
2 enfants. And did your ear catch it? The number 2 ends in one of day 1's silent letters, but the word for children starts with a vowel, so the sleeper wakes up. A little Z glues the 2 words together. French does anything to sound smooth. One child, many children listen to the pair. L'enfant, les enfants.
The whole family, mother, father, son, daughter, brother, sister, is on today's lesson sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1. You'll hear them in every human interest story. And where does she live? In the capital. Claire?
La capitale. Elle habite dans la capitale.
Your turn, just the capital. Repeat after Claire.
La capitale. Now the verb, to live somewhere. And Louis, today's little quirk hides right at the front of it. She lives. Elle habite. On paper, that verb starts with the letter H. And in French, H says absolutely nothing, ever. It is the most reliably silent letter in the whole language.
Which means when you say, I live, the welding trick from a minute ago kicks in again. Claire.
J'habite. J'habite à Paris.
I live in Paris. Try that one out loud.
J'habite à Paris.
Back to where we started. Claire, slowly first.
La Première ministre a 2 enfants et habite dans la capitale.
The Prime Minister has 2 children and lives in the capital. Now at real new speed,
La première ministre a 2 enfants et habite dans la capitale.
2 days in, and you just understood a sentence with 2 verbs in it.
Now the best part, your turn, the whole sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. La première ministre a 2 enfants et habite dans la capitale. Très bien.
Day 2, done. The verb to have, the welding apostrophe, the years the French carry with them, plus the Prime Minister, the children, and the capital.
Your lesson sheet is at linguawire.com/day1, the full table for to have, the whole family, today's 25 words, and the 10-minute homework is right there with it, built on today's sentence.
5 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Demain, le gouvernement, la police et l'armée
The government, the police, and the army, the day we crack the French words for the and meet that apostrophe properly. See you then.
À demain,